Hi, everyone. I'd like to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Georgee Kluck. I am the owner-operator of Team Georgee, powered by Place at Keller Williams in Miami. I've had a real estate business for 35 years. I started building a team before teams were even popular. So you know that as a being on the frontier of that, I made a lot of mistakes. After 20 years in the business, our team joined KW in 2008. It was then that we started to adopt the models and systems of the Millionaire Real Estate Agent book written by Gary Keller. And I personally became an avid follower of Gary. In fact, he was my first mentor and he changed my life. In 2015, our team was honored to be the #4 team in the US and Canada for KW. With over 1.5 million in GCI, 65 million in volume, and over 100 transactions. We were able to accomplish that with myself, an amazing buyer specialist, and 2 amazing admin. Besides real estate, I'm very blessed with a loving family. I enjoy a lot of hobbies and varied interests. As a student of life, I'm very clear on my values and my priorities in life. It hasn't always been that way. In fact, my growth journey really catapulted after I joined KW, and I was already 50 years old. Bottom line, I love learning about life and challenging myself to be the best I can be every day. My favorite classes to teach are Quantum Leap and 6 Personal Perspectives because they changed my life. They have made me a better person, a better mother, a better friend, and a better real estate professional. I'm a firm believer that your business will grow to the extent that you do. My life mission is through teaching to inspire others to identify their life purpose, that they may be the best rendition of themselves and in turn, make the world a better place. Live fully, give abundantly, grow endlessly. I'm proud to be a KW certified instructor, and I thank you for your time.